unlocking nature's secret, homemade natural serums and face masks. Beautiful faces are born from nature, and in our journey today, we're going to tap into this timeless wisdom. Let's venture into the secret garden of natural facial care. Our first stop is facial serums. Potent concoctions, serums deeply penetrate the skin, offering a nourishing treat. Our first serum is the hydrating aloe vera serum. This blend is perfect for dry skin. You'll need aloe vera gel, vitamin E oil, and lavender essential oil. The aloe vera hydrates, while the vitamin E heals and the lavender soothes. Now let's create balancing green tea serum. This one's for combination skin. It requires green tea, rose water, and jojoba oil. Green tea detoxifies, rose water balances, and the jojoba oil moisturizes. Next is the Revitalizing citrus serum. Designed for dull skin, this requires orange peel, honey, and olive oil. The citrus revives, the honey cleanses, and the olive oil nourishes. The soothing chamomile serum is perfect for sensitive skin. Mix chamomile tea, almond oil, and rosehip oil. The chamomile calms, the almond oil smoothens, and the rosehip oil rejuvenates. Finally, the detoxifying charcoal serum. Ideal for oily skin, this includes activated charcoal, witch hazel, and tea tree oil. The charcoal detoxes, the witch hazel tones, and the tea tree fights acne. Now let's dive into the world of face masks, nature's spa in a bowl. First up is the Nourishing Banana Mask. This suits all skin types. Prepare mashed banana, honey, and lemon juice. The banana moisturizes, the honey purifies, and the lemon lightens. Next is the Exfoliating Oatmeal Mask. Designed for dry skin, it requires oats, yogurt, and honey. The oats exfoliate, the yogurt soothes, and the honey moisturizes. Our third mask is the Refreshing Cucumber Mask. For combination skin, blend cucumber, aloe vera, and yogurt. The cucumber tones, the aloe vera hydrates, and the yogurt balances. The Calming Rosewater Mask is perfect for sensitive skin. Mix rosewater, aloe vera, and green clay. The rosewater soothes, the aloe vera calms, and the green clay detoxifies. Lastly, the Purifying Clay Mask. Ideal for oily skin, it requires bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, and tea tree oil. The clay draws out impurities, the vinegar balances pH, and the tea tree combats oiliness. Discover the joy and simplicity of natural facial care. These recipes bring the spa to your home, infusing your skin with the goodness of nature. Remember, homemade skincare requires time, patience, and consistency, but the rewards are worth it. Enjoy the process, have fun mixing and matching, make your skin glow with these homemade treasures. Just picture yourself surrounded by nature's bounty. You mix, you stir, you apply, and you glow. This is a journey of self-care, of embracing nature's gifts and realizing your own radiant beauty. As the music gently whispers to your soul, envision the natural ingredients rejuvenating your skin. Embrace the homemade, the heartfelt, the wholesome, your skin, your care, your way. With each application, feel the calming, nurturing touch of nature. It's a peaceful moment, a soothing ritual, a serene symphony for your skin. And remember, natural beauty is not about perfection, it's about loving and nurturing your unique self. Join us next time as we continue to explore the endless magic of nature's beauty secrets. Natural, radiant, beautiful, that's you. See the difference, feel the glow, embrace the change. So here's to a journey of self-discovery, of natural beauty, and of a vibrant, glowing skin. Unlock the power of nature with these homemade serums and masks, a gift from nature, a gift to you. Because you deserve to be pampered, you deserve to be appreciated, you deserve to glow. Be patient with the process, love your skin, and always remember nature is the best beautician. So go ahead, explore these recipes, unearth the secrets, unleash your natural glow. Thank you for joining us. Stay beautiful, stay natural, stay glowing. Until next time, continue to shine.